Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to sign PDF with CAC card. Insert your CAC card into a reader and open your middleware. Verify the certificate appears. Next, open the PDF in your signing app, choose the certificate, place the signature field, and confirm the signing operation. Save a copy and test verification to ensure the signature validates correctly on another system. First, install the middleware required for your CAC card and restart the computer if prompted. Plug in the card reader and insert the CAC, then open the signing application and ensure it detects the smart card certificate. Configure the app to use the smart card certificate for digital signatures, set signature appearance options, and choose a secure PIN when prompted to authorize each signing action for safer document handling. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long signing sessions and has a leak-proof lid that fits most cup holders. It's compact and easy to carry to the office. Check the description for the link and other deals before you go, and now let's get back to the video. Preview the signed document and verify details like date, signer name, and signature appearance before finalizing. Use a strong, private PIN to protect the CAC and avoid signing on untrusted machines to reduce risk. After signing, save both the signed and unsigned versions and regularly check certificate validity and revocation status to maintain trust and compliance for signed PDFs across different reviewers and systems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.